Hey guys, happy Saturday. So you're gonna see that some of these packages back here are actually wrapped. Funny story. So I did a really fun campaign and I needed presents underneath the tree to pose with. So my nanny and I, we wrapped up gifts and put them underneath the tree. So some of these are actually wrapped right now and that's why. So funny enough, but anyways, as you guys know, on Saturdays, I do PR unboxings where I get to show you guys like the new makeup launches, new beauty launches, I should say, because it's like skincare, hair, makeup, all that fun stuff. So we're going to get into it. We're catching up with everything. And also make sure to give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it when you guys do that. And also when you comment down below what you're most excited about. I love that as well. And let's go ahead and get into it. We got Laura Mercier that we've got to catch up on because we've got another Laura Mercier one back there. So let's see what they sent over. Okay, so we are excited to share with you our iconic and cult favorite caviar stick eye color, your secret weapon to personalized artistry on the go. I'm so tired. So they sent us over some caviar sticks, and I know my mom is definitely gonna go crazy over this because she always hits me up after she sees these in my PR boxes. She loves caviar sticks. They're awesome. So they sent over their mascara right here. And then we've got their caviar stick. So we have Orchid, Plum, Rose Gold, and Intense Moonlight. So Rose Gold is actually one of my favorites from them. I'm gonna show it to you guys. It is absolutely beautiful. These allow you to do your makeup so quickly. My Rose Gold is stuck to the inside. No, I love Rose Gold. This sucks. Hang on. Can I get it out? I got it out. We can make it work. All right, so let me just show you what rose gold looks like. It is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Right there. They blend out so beautifully. And you know what? We actually need to add a little bit to this lid. So let's put this on my lid. So I'm just going to put this all over the lid. Take my finger. And I'm going to blend it out. And it will just add a little bit of life to these lids because I never do my eye makeup. Well, I've been doing it more frequently. I just didn't do it today. It was a night last night. Kinsley would not sleep. So honestly, I just did not have the energy to do anything much more than what I've got going on right now. But I'm gonna put this in there. And then also it's really nice is when you grab a matte brown from their eye creams, you can also add that into the crease as well, but I'm gonna keep it very simple. But you can just see, it's just pretty. It just adds a little bit something there, and it actually goes really well with the lip because I have such a bold color on my lip right now that it works with doing like a neutral look. So anyways, love those. Thank you, Laura Mercier, for sending those over. All right, so next up, we've got another package from Laura Mercier, and oh, okay, so they have a match foundation finder, make a match. So discover Laura Mercier match foundation finder. So they came out with their own. This is perfect. So you can go on Laura Mercier and get that. I believe they even, unique promo code for one full size. So I'm going to do that. We're going to do that on Laura Mercier's. Yes. I got to try that. Okay. So the color they sent me, which by the way, they sent me one of their sponges as well. The color they sent me is Latte 3N.5. I believe this is going to be for self-tan. Yeah. This is going to be when I'm self-tan, which I'm definitely going to be self-tanning tonight. So thank you, Laura Mercier, for that. And I'm definitely going to go on there. You know what? You could totally scan it. Let's do this real quick. Scan. Perfect. Oh, no. Come on. Let me get it. Okay. Get matched. Here, you know what? Let's screen record this so you guys can see what's going on here. 2, 1. Bop. Okay, so what's my view your best match? Okay, got it. Okay, so it says for the tinted moisturizer, my best match is natural. Let's see what it is in the Flawless Lumiere. Dune. They think that Dune is probably my best match. So, oh, it shows me what it's gonna look like. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, this is really neat. I feel like this is better than Sephora's. Oh my gosh, I love that. All right, so that is awesome. I'm definitely gonna do this when, let me hit stop recording. Definitely gonna do that when I self-tan, so I'll know my shade. So thank you, Laura Mercier, for sending that over. You guys can hop on there. I'll have a link to their website so you can do it yourself. So that's awesome. I really appreciate that because I am so hard to match. I'm very, very hard to match. So I really appreciate it. Thanks. All right, so next up we've got some hair care, and this one is from Derma-E. So they sent over their scalp line. So this is actually really good. So it says healthy hair isn't just about strong, shiny tresses. It's about total scalp wellness, which is so true. It says fan favorite scalp relief shampoo and conditioner along with their new beauty award winner scalp relief treatment. Gently cleanse, deflake, soothe, and nourish for balanced and hydrated skin. So we've got their scalp relief shampoo and conditioner here. And then we also have the scalp relief treatment and, ooh, a bath mat. Oh, from Think. I love this from Think Sport. Definitely going to be using that for exfoliating. And then they also sent over one of their like headbands to push everything back and then some rubber bands too. So thank you Derma-E for that. You guys know scalp is really important. I always use a scalp cleanser or detoxifier for shampoo because it really helps clear out all that buildup that you get from oils and then dry shampoo and any products that you may use. It really makes a difference. And if you really detoxify and clean out that scalp, what it also does is it can definitely prolong your hair washing routine. So it will keep your hair cleaner longer, I feel like. I feel like I can definitely go a lot longer with it. All right, so next up we have a package from Good Molecules, and they sent over their Glycolic exfoliating toner. Definitely we're in a exfoliating season right now, I feel like. In my last PR unboxing, I just did so many exfoliating toners. So that is what this guy is right here. I love those. And then I love, again, using those reusable cotton rounds for everything. So this is going to gently remove dead skin cells and promote glowing skin. So that is awesome. Thank you, Good Molecules, for sending that over. Ooh, we got some more hair care, and this is from DP Hue, another one of my favorite brands. I really love their stuff. So it says, keep your hair color fresh between salon visits, even in the summer. How to neutralize brassy tones. That's what I get really easily. My hair always wants to turn warm. So they sent over a couple of their products here. So this is the Cool Blonde shampoo. It neutralizes yellow tones and brassiness, which is totally what I got going on. So when I wash my hair tonight, we're gonna be using that. And then this is the conditioner. Excited for that too. So it says, oh, hey, Cool Blonde, cool shampoo and conditioner use specially formulated violet pigments to neutralize unwanted brassy tones. Both the shampoo and conditioner are made with silk proteins and hibiscus flower extract to strengthen hair and improve luster and shine. It's sulfate-free and will not strip your hair color. You leave on your hair for 5 minutes for best results. The conditioner detangles strands, adds softness, and weightlessly conditions. So, very excited for that. Definitely going to use it. Thank you so much, DPU, for sending this over. Got this itty bitty package. How cute. From Pop Beauty. Oh, I love this. This is so adorable. So uncomplicated skincare. It says Lit AF's Essence. So this is a skin perfecting essence from them. And then we also have, oh, we got 2 of them. Oh, sweet. So I can keep one and I can give one to you guys. All right, so we're gonna unwrap a present right now. How am I just now seeing this? This is from Davines, another hairline that I love. Oh my gosh, I love this. So I have been using Davines since I was in college, high school, long time. Love Davines. They have great products. I actually have the Love one for Riley because her hair, it's so, I mean, if you're a hair person out there, like a stylist, like let me know. I gotta talk to also my hairstylist, but her hair is so different. It's very smooth and fine on top, like how mine is, but underneath it, it's like this rough texture curliness. And it's like underneath the hair. It's so interesting. But what happens is that it gets so knotted and tangly easily. It's just like a rough, it's really interesting. So what I've been doing with her is I use that like Love conditioner, and then I also really use a hair mask with her too, which is, I know, crazy. Like last night, that's what I did. I did shampoo, conditioner, and then I did a hair mask, and then I brushed through it and I let her sit and play in the bathtub and let that sit in there. So that way it really helps with that texture underneath it. It's so different. It's so different. So than what I'm used to. And it's just weird how it's one on top and one on the bottom. It's just so unique as I'm digging through here for products. think I got everything. But yeah, Davines is like a huge brand that many stylists love. It's just absolutely amazing. So I love their Love one. That is probably like one of my favorites. And another one here that I see is actually another one that I like. I learned this one from my mom. This is the Menu. It's an illuminating protective shampoo for colored hair. One of my favorite ones is Love. It's purple. It's so good, but we've got some other ones to try out here. I have not tried out the Menu one, so I'm just excited for this because this one is for it's illuminating protective shampoo for colored hair. So super stoked about that. They have the hair mask here and the shampoo, which you just use a little bit, goes a long way for those. And then we've got Heart of Glass Intense Treatment, Reinforcing Brightening Treatment for Blondes. Oh, I'm excited for you too. Oh my gosh. Then we've got the Box Shampoo Bar Holder, Born to Shelter Your Solid Shampoo. I've never heard of a solid shampoo before. Oh, this is the Love. Oh my God. Lovely Smoothing Solid Shampoo for Coarse or Frizzy Hair Shampoo. Oh, this is definitely why I'm like, Love works so well for her. It's because she's got that coarse and hair underneath it. So this is so interesting. I've never even seen it in this form. That is awesome. Then we have the Sublime Skin Eye Patch, Immediate Effect Eye Mask with Peptides. I didn't even know that they had eye mask. Oh my goodness. Let's open this up and check this out. These are totally going into my little, oh yeah, they're going into my little beauty fridge. Oh, I can't wait. Definitely going to use that tonight. They also have a Sublime Skin Oil Serum. It's a regenerating night oil. Oh, that sounds good too. I love oils for nighttime. Love them. So we've got that guy right here. And with this, apply at night alone or before the cream. Oh, so interesting for aging. Oh, I'm so excited. And then we've got the Comfort Zone Sacred Nature Youth Serum right here. And this one, it's a lightweight serum. You apply morning and evening to clean, dry face, and you massage to promote absorption, follow with cream. And that's what that looks like. Oh, so I like their packaging. Look at their packaging. It's so minimal and just pretty. I like that. So we've got that. And then last but not least, we have your Hair Assistant Definition Mist Polish and Separation Spray. Oh, spray to create separation and texture, adding a touch of natural shine. Shake before use. Apply on dry hair for approximately 12 inches away. So you just use it. It's like a texture spray. So we'll use that after I curl. So anyways, they said, Madison, we are so excited to be sending you the latest and greatest from Davines North America and Comfort Zone Skin US. We hope you love everything as much as we do. Enjoy. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I am so excited. I cannot wait to try out the Menu line. I'm a lover of the Love line, so this is awesome. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Davines. Guys, it's like Christmas morning, unwrapping gifts. All right, so next up we have a package from Pure and Care. It looks like they did a collaboration and they said, giving back is beautiful. Join us in support of Care, a global initiative to save lives, defeat poverty, and achieve social justice for women and girls around the world. So they came out with this collaboration for that, which is amazing. They sent over this awesome little bag right here. And then we've got their Giving Back is Beautiful. This is their brush set. It's a 5-piece brush set. And then we've got their lipstick. Oh, 3-piece lipstick kit. Those look really pretty. Let's swatch one. I'm like, that looks really, really pretty. Oh, that's a pretty nude. Here we go. Look at that one. Really pretty deep nude. Perfect for the fall and the winter time. Oh, we've got a pink. More of a rose shade. And then we've got, ooh, a more brighter shade. Perfect for the summer. It's got you for the seasons. That is amazing. Those are pretty. And then we also have the 3-piece facial mist kit. So we've got a lip mist, a matte mist, and a mask mist. Ooh, that's neat. Love that. Then we've also got the 2-piece skincare kit. And this one has the cloud cream in it and also the Ceratin serum. I love that. Little hanger. You could also use this like for like little stocking stuffers or just put them on the tree in the morning. And then we've got some lashes with some lash glue here. Oh yes, we've got their 4-in-1 pressed mineral makeup. I love this. They sent over golden medium. This stuff is so good. I think mine were so old too, so definitely need. I love this powder. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I've raved about this powder. It's awesome. So got that. I'm actually gonna leave that open so I can put that in my collection. Then we've got the Fully Charged Mascara. And they sent us over a full size of the 4-in-1 Cloud Cream, which is a gel to water hydrating essence moisturizer. So that will be perfect for underneath makeup. So thank you so much, Pure. Awesome collaboration that you did. By the way, they said for every product sold in this collection, proceeds from your purchase will unlock a $100,000 donation to CARE that will help defeat poverty around the world. Join us in the fight. So I will have it linked down below. All right, so we got another really cool package from Essence. I mean, not Essence, Elemis. I'm so tired. Here we go. So they sent over their favorites and it's so cute. It's like a little phone booth. How adorable. You just pop off the top. We've got, oh, I love these, by the way. I have a bunch of these and they're my favorite way to remove makeup. I'll do like a cleansing balm or something and then I go in and it's just so nice. So this is adorable. Look at this. Oh, I love this. I gotta actually like Instagram this real quick because this is really, really cute. All right, so I just Instagrammed that and that was like so cute, that package. But again, they send over the washcloths, which I love. I have a bunch of those. They're my fave. Then we've got one of my favorite products from them. This is their Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. If you've been following me for a while, you know this is one of my favorite products. I love this. I've been through so many. I even had like one of those really, really big ones of the rose one, which is really nice. Also, their Superfood Facial Oil, another one that I absolutely love. And then we have the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, another one that I love. I've been through, how many of these have I been through? I've been through this one and the Matrix one. So I would say like 2, and then also maybe a mini. So I was on a huge Elemis kick back in the day. And then we've got an Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads, which are skin smoothing pads. I have not tried these out yet, so I'm very excited about these. These are going to refine the skin for a smoother, brighter, and glass-like appearance in one swipe. I like the way that sounds, so super stoked about that. I will have these linked down below for you guys. All right, so last but not least, we have a Halloween package from Sigma. I am so late. This is the Sigma False Lashes. Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. Those are pretty. Oh, I like it how they photographed all of them. And they put the pictures. So here, I'm going to put this right here if you want to screenshot it. There we go. Hang on. Let me get it to focus. There we go. Let me make sure you can see both sides. Okay, down. Now screenshot away. Or you can just go to their website because they probably have them there too. Anyways, Sigma sent over, oh, this is nice. Look at this little comb. And the applicator, oh, that's really nice. Okay, so Sigma came out with lashes. Lashes galore here. So let's take a look at these so I can show you guys what they look like. They retail for $20 as I'm dropping. Okay, so first off we have, oh, I love it how they put the name of them right there and not like hidden somewhere else. Thank you, Sigma, for that. So we got Whimsical, Hopeless Romantic, Sultry, Paramour, Fantasy, Demure. Ooh, Demures are pretty. I love like the wispy light ones. And then Love Struck, Bedroom Eyes, Doe-Eyed, and that's it. So thank you, Sigma, for sending these over. I really appreciate it. It's so neat to see them that they came out with lashes now. This is cool. So I'll have those linked down below. But that is everything in this PR unboxing, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Comment down below what you're most excited about. And I will see you all in my next video.